Welcome back to class time. Dear friends, in this video we shall see how to use Google Form for conducting online test. For that we will have to go to Chrome browser, that has to be logged in, okay, with your Gmail ID. Then here type Google Form and come down here. Down it will show, yeah, Google Form create. Here we need to click personal, go to Google Form. This option is showing, okay dear friends. We need to click here, and once we click there, this will lead to a new page, that is the form. Here appears the form. On top it is written untitled form. We can give a title to the form. Okay, now I am giving it like first online test. Okay, down one more it is there, automatically it is coming. Form description, what type of form it is. Okay, so we give it the school name, St. Patrick. Okay, St. Patrick School. Here it is mentioned, wherever it you are working, no, that is school or institution, you may give the name. Then mention the subject, on what subject you are conducting the test. Okay dear friends. Then the next option is class. Okay, for which class you are conducting. Then come down here. Okay, this is English 2. Then down here you may type first question. Remember what is your name, writing is very important to know which student is answering us back when we check their reply. Okay dear friend, that will be convenient. So what is your name? This is not mark oriented, this is for the sake of their information, and keep it short answers. Okay, here in this, from this box go to the short option, and required option is needed dear friend. That means what is your name, that has to be replied by all means. Okay, now go to the next page. That copy option was there. Okay, I will show it now. Okay, next option I'm giving, next question is like what is noun. Okay, once it is done, making it paragraph type. Okay, and required is not necessary because some students may know, some may not know, and pressing here we can go to the next question. Now suppose I'm giving a next question wanting multiple choice answers from the students, no, multiple choice question. So I'm writing it here, and here down here paragraph it is written, no, there I click and I go to multiple option. Okay, multiple choice, and automatically options appear, option 1, option 2, that way. And from there option 1 we can give 8, and then option 2 also we can give one more option. From there we give the next one. Okay, 6, 5 is given. This way we can go on adding the options, whichever be number of words, no? This way we can go on adding. Okay, now suppose we want a image, we can take the image from here and we can write here like describe the image. Okay, so that students can describe it. Okay, and from here we can choose the image and paragraph option. Paragraph option can be given. Then we, once everything is typed, no dear friends, we can go to response option. Some editing has to be done here. Here you see this has to be disabled once the time is up. As for now we are keeping it enabled. Suppose we want the students from 9 to 10 o'clock to reply within this 1 hour, we keep it enabled. After that we can off it back. So after that nobody will be able to reply back. Then go to send option and click here. This is by through mail, but we need WhatsApp, so click here, link, copy the link, and we go to WhatsApp. Okay, we go to WhatsApp, and from there we send it to the students. Okay, we paste it, then we send it. Now let us try to see once the student replies, okay, how it is. For that purpose, as a student we open the link. I am going to another WhatsApp. Okay, fine, we open it. Then supposing that the student is replying back. Okay, let us see. So this is the student's phone.
This here see you see star mark is there, so student is replying, writing name Joy. Somewhat I'm just filling it different just for the sake of showing it. Okay, so finally writing everything, the student is submitting. Now once the student submits,
okay, in our phone where we can find, we need to go to Google Drive. Okay, Google Drive here. From there we just open it, and that drive has to be logged in with the same email ID. Okay, down we see there will be many more. Okay, you can find it from there. Down it is. I just opened it. Then wait for a see here responses 1, that means one student has replied back. So let us check there. So if we click there, it is showing number 1 Joy. Okay, Joy has replied back. So we can see the questions also, and individually also we can take the print option also from there. And dear friends, after that we may keep the accepting and replying options also, we can keep it off. Okay, accepting response enable it is no, we may keep it off also. That is up to us. If the time is up, we can keep it off. So that's all dear friends. Hope the video is helpful to you. If you are watching it for the first time, do like, I mean if it is helpful to you, do like it, and if you are watching it for the first time, then subscribe it. Thank you dear friends, that's all.